Hello everyone.
Hi.
Welcome to my channel. So you guys, I have a guest here with me. This is Nicole, aka Nikki, aka
Chevy Kruves.
Yes, so before I get started, go check out our channel and also give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And hit that subscribe button down below and your post notification bell. So today we are doing checkers, aka rallies, because I know a lot of people don't have rallies anymore. I mean checkers.
They have rallies.
They have rallies. So I have some what is it? Bacon, fully loaded bacon. Oh my gosh, bacon fries with ranch and cheese and delicious.
I have just regular chili cheese fries and a hot dog.
Regular smackler.
Hot dog.
Chili dog. You got a chili dog?
I got a chili dog.
Yeah.
And a chicken, regular chicken sandwich.
I got a chili dog too. They hot dogs good to me.
They are.
Like, they're really good.
You know who else got good hot dogs though?
Who?
Hardee's.
Yeah.
Hardee's got good hot dogs too.
Mm-hmm. They hot dogs are cool. Got me some ketchup. And of course, I got me a Coke.
I don't even drink Coke, but I got one.
Just for you guys.
Yeah, she was like, "You're gonna be on my special channel," and I was like, "What?" So I got a Coke just for you, beautiful people.
Yep. And of course, baby Mahogany is right here. She eating already. I forgot my straw.
We did a mukbang yesterday,
Oh well. Didn't I forget my straw again?
and she forgot her straw yesterday too.
Hey. They like smacking too.
So look, question.
Yeah.
So I just want to know.
They like smacking.
I know who puts fries on their sandwich.
I used to.
Like I do. Like every night, or chips on their sandwich. Like if you get a sub, and you put your chips on your sandwich.
I used to. I hadn't done it in a while. Boom. You want to see hot dog? It's not all good.
This sandwich is fresh.
What you mean?
It's not. It hadn't been sitting.
Oh, gotcha. Oh, they fries are like the best.
Yes, I like Checkers fries. I like Chick-fil-A waffle fries.
I had them for lunch last week. I hadn't had them in so long. I forgot their face. I said, my God, these fries is good. They was so good. And I got a large. And I ate all of them.
Without sharing.
She was sneaky this time. Ooh. I need me a straw. I don't feel like getting out though. I be eating so fast, I'm biting it inside my jaw.
I got so many followers on Instagram. But I think it was 'cause, like, people just coming to be nosy on my page.
Of course.
I was like, because I got trolled. I told you that, right?
What happened with
I
that?
got trolled. And, like, I got a flunction, like a whole bunch of followers at one time. I was like, what did they got found?
What was they saying?
I'm too big. My health. And
Yeah.
I'm like, well, what did that have to do with me loving myself?
Yeah.
And appreciating who I am. 'Cause I like to eat.
Right? I love food, so. I mean, people. Okay. Tell me something I don't know. I know I'm fat. Like, that pisses me off.
Right.
That's another thing.
I ain't ugly.
Like, go somewhere with that nonsense.
But they make it seem like being fat is the worst. Like,
Yeah.
I was like, y'all was bugging.
Mm-hmm.
But but I love it.
You give me $2. See, why mine was wrapped this paper? That mustard strong. Woo! I don't know why I'm trying to eat my left hand. Knowing I ain't left-handed.
You know what? I ain't gonna try that. Let me try. I brushed my teeth today with my left hand. I be trying to do stuff with my left hand just in case anything ever happens to my right hand. It's not.
But Nicole, I don't know why, but you look like the type of person that'd be left-handed.
My mama left-handed.
You look like you would. It's like you. I don't know how you look like you would be left-handed, but you really do. I can see you writing with your left hand.
You know what's crazy? I thought about doing that today. Like, start practicing with my left hand.
I can honestly see you do that.
Yeah. Who knows?
Boo! You fried good, ain't you, girl?
Child. Oh, you know what I can sit and do?
Uh-oh.
Y'all, you eat pickles, right?
Yeah.
We gotta do pickles and shit. Or no pickles.
Pickles.
Do one eating a pickle.
That's crazy,
Cause I can sit. Y'all hear me smack, burp, all that.
y'all, I cannot eat cucumbers, but
tear some pickles down.
yeah, I don't know why. It's crazy because I used to eat cucumbers. You know how you soak them in vinegar, salt and pepper. I can't even eat them like that no more.
But you know what? A lot of people say after they have kids, their taste bud change.
Yeah. Yeah. I was loving strawberries, but now I despise them.
That's just like my mom said when she was pregnant with me. She used to eat pork and beans all the time. Pork and beans and weenies. And chocolate cake.
Oh, wow.
She said,
Ooh. Let me see. That checker burger, not this burger. It's an all-American cheeseburger. But the checker burger with those red onions and the tomato and the lettuce. And they add mayo, ketchup, and mustard.
yeah. Now, you know what's crazy? She loves onions, but her sister hates them. Her sister, Sheena hates them.
Yeah.
She do not eat them, but she eat cucumbers, don't she?
Yeah, and
she eat cucumbers and she don't.
Yep.
Boy, I tell you,
crazy. I'm about to kick you down. That's all. Look at my station. It's got everything over here. It's messed up. Too much stuff.
This is good. This checkers was really good. Oh, I must have been really damn hungry.
One of them. I know it was good to me.
Excuse me, darling. Borrow one of your wives. I got to see that.
Yes, I forgot to tell y'all, I have a small dog. I'm surprised she can jump up here. I'm trying to get food.
Just say hey, y'all. Say hey. Hello.
This is Duchess. The hyperactive dog.
Hey, Toodle Toodle. Hey, Toodle.
These guys, comment down below if y'all like the sound of crunching ice.
There you go.
We're gonna end this video. And this checkers was delicious. It was good.
Wonderful. Riley's for those that don't have the checkers.
Yes. Right. So you guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe. Actually, smack that subscribe button. Don't hit it.
Smack it. Smack it. Rub it down. Oh no!
You know you done it the right way when it turns gray. Also, post notifications so you won't miss a video. I'm gonna start uploading on this channel more.
Yes, we are. Yes, she is. I'm gonna probably try to be in some of her videos too.
And make sure you share these videos so we can get the word out. And we will see you guys later.
Deuces.